guys, welcome back. So we're gonna do another how to draw. This time it's the Gorgosaurus. So let's get started. Okay, probably gonna start off with the head. So it kind of curves, starts with a curve like that. And then okay, then we want the jaw. Here, don't like that tail. I'm gonna fix the tail. There we go. And then now let's make a space for the leg, the first leg. It looks like it starts there. And then it kind of goes like that in a way. And like that. And like here. Actually, not like that yet. Then like that. It looks like, sorry about the background noise, by the way. That's good. And toe, and then the other one. Okay. I'm actually gonna fix the head real quick. It's a little weird. There we go. It's a little better. Let's get the head shaped. So, yeah, I'm kind of the person that kind of like stretch back and forth. And then now let's do the back leg, which it looks like from here it goes like that. Oh, that looks too thin. Okay, so instead of that, let's go here. Kind of soften this this leg up a bit. And then now let's do the arms, which start about here. Really close that off. Then like that. And the next arm kind of goes like that. Oh, my reference image turned off. Give me a moment. Okay. Now what we want to do is get that mouth looking a little more realistic. And this version has the tongue poking out. get that. And then the nostril seems to go right about there. It's like this hole in the back of the head somewhere like that. I'm just filling these in as I go. And the eye is pretty small. Starts about there. And so now let's do the teeth. Okay. Now let's fill in this part. Next, we should start shading. So, as usual, start with the back of the leg. Then do a little bit of the front of the leg. Same thing with the arm. And then let's do the back of the head. Okay, and then next step would probably be let's add that little part, and then we could really darken this up. Maybe add some shading to that tongue. Around the eye, maybe. Sorry about that noise. Okay, now looks like there's some darker shading here and then some lighter up here. Then for the bottom of the jaw, let's smooth out the curve. There we go. That looks more natural. Now we can start shading in the bottom jaw. I'm gonna make it slightly darker just because. Okay. Now let's add some. Let's add some shading to this arm. Okay. shade the underside area. Try to make it look at least a little 3D. Straighten that up a little bit. Okay, now let's... This leg, it looks a little weird. Okay, and then now let's start shading in the leg a little bit. Get those claws shaded in. Okay, let's lighten this up a little bit, make it look more like a muscle. And it looks like it's a little dark under this leg. Before it lightens up a little bit. Again, get the muscle figured out. Okay. Now I'm just gonna keep the main part of the body simple. Here's how it's looking so far. Oh, oops, don't wanna mess that up. I'm just gonna do the body now. Keep it easy. Oh, let's fill in this leg real quick. let's do the arms. Okay. And now, I want to make this slightly darker since it's more shaded. Okay, and there is our Gorgosaurus. If you guys would like to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.